1, 2, 3.
Hey guys, this is Rob with Lukat Detail again. Look at this hood here. You see how oxidized it is? Now, I'm always telling people you want to clean your paint when it's like this. Don't wax it. This is just a wet towel. I'm going to add some water here. Okay, look how beautiful this paint job looks when it's wet. See how pretty that looks? That looks pretty because what's refracting is the water, okay? But it also means that your clear coat is still repairable. You can still bring it back. What you want to do is you want to use this. So when your clear coat looks bad like this, don't wax it. I mean, you're going to wax it. You can wax it afterwards. But in the beginning, when you want to fix it, you want to use this. This is called Lukat Fix It. This is not car wax. It's a cleaner. So the way you use it is different. You don't do the circles. You don't do that. You go back and forth like this. So all I'm doing here right now is cleaning back and forth. You can do tight little spots or big spots. It all depends on the paint, the state of it. The more oxidized it is, the more cleaning it takes, but you're not cutting like with a regular cutter, so you're not stripping. What you want to do is you want to clean the contamination and not remove the good clear. So all I'm doing right now is cleaning and removing the buildup. And this thing's already clearing up, okay? So the idea here is to show you a way to repair your paint job. If you don't, if you keep putting waxes and glazers on top and masking the problem, it's only gonna get worse. It's not gonna get better. So this is a great way to save a ton of money because it's expensive. Nowadays painting cars is very expensive. Can you guys see that? So when you use this, you use it to clean, not to wax. So we just do this. Now, if you have a polisher, like if you guys want to use polishers, it's actually a lot easier and stuff. I do these demos because a lot of my customers don't want to spend a lot of money on buying electric polishers and stuff, but you don't want to use a DA. That's the one with the clutch, because you want to use a straight cleaner, a straight polisher. That's going to work best. Look how beautiful that came out. You want to use this to repair your clear coat. Doesn't matter. This will repair your paint and bring it back to its original shape. Oh, and while we're at it, since we're here, look at this headlight, okay? So a lot of times people see me clean these paint jobs, but you can also use this on headlights. Now this is a hazy headlight right here. You just put this on like that, same one. Remember, it's not wax. So the way you use it like a cleaner. Look at it. You just go back and forth like this, okay? This stuff is sick. If you continue to wax your dirty paint job, your dirty headlight, you're just making it worse because you're masking a problem that's going to get worse. But this, you can clear it up, remove all that buildup. This is crazy because right now, there's no wax on here. I just cleaned it. There's no wax here. I just cleaned it. You use this to fix your paint, your headlights. It'll also remove dust streaks off your windows and hard water stains. All right, guys, check us out at lucatdetail.com. Please like and subscribe. I actually remember to say that. Everyone's always telling me to say that, but I always forget. Okay, guys, later. Have a safe holiday weekend, and hope to hear from you guys later.